Cleaning your closet. We love cleaning closets, right? We love to go in there. That's why you never do it. It just never. When was the last time you were in the back of your closet, in the very corner, and you know what's there? Now, my wife probably knows what's in her closets. She's a rare bird, but for most of us, we don't. We never get there. And financially, we never get there either. We did things 20 years ago that were definitely a need and filled a purpose. But today, our needs have changed. Our net worth has changed. Our assets have changed. Products have changed. What we can do with money has changed. Our capacity has changed. Does it still make sense? Probably not. I was talking to a client the other day that definitely they had something that made no sense based on where they're at and what they were doing. So we should either, put more money into it, get out of it, pinch it. So we need to make it so it fits today. And today's a good day to clean our closet, to get on track, to be our best, to make the most of what we have. So I would tell you, today, not tomorrow, not a week from now, because tomorrow never comes. Today would be a good day to clean your